Following pretreatment, the seeds undergo crushing and flaking processes using specialized crushers and flakers. These machines break down the seeds into smaller flakes to increase surface area for efficient oil extraction. The next critical step is cooking and pressing. The refining process includes deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization stages. Each of these steps employs specific equipment like centrifuges, mixers, and filters to purify the crude oil, removing gums, free fatty acids, color pigments, and odorous compounds. Additionally, finally, the refined oil is stored in tanks before packaging. The entire production line is supported by automation systems that monitor and control various parameters, ensuring consistent quality and optimal performance. Overall,